I'm Derrick with Adobe Rock here in Urda, Utah. We're slowly improving our landscape yard, and this month we're adding 3 decorative columns with a post light on top of each. We'll be using the tandem column kit made by Belgard, and it's a very simple installation. The first step is to prepare the base. Belgard recommends using their patented U-Start base blocks, but since our columns are here in the parking lot, we've poured a concrete base and curb. We next placed the steel cage in the center of our concrete block and anchored it to the ground, then the block panels attached to the wire grid using plastic connectors that slide into grooves in the back of the panels. As more panels are added, it's important that you stagger the corners so they interlace from each side. Make sure that you don't place 2 of the same pattern panels next to each other. Once all of the panels are in place, the center gets filled with gravel to lock it all together. Once the column was in, it was just a matter of running wire through the conduit to connect each one. We drilled a hole in the center of the column cap to pull the wire through, and then each of the heavy column caps were glued in place using XP Gator Bond adhesive. Finally, it was time to add the post light, which we anchored to the column cap and then wired each of them together. If you're not an electrician, we suggest that you get someone as smart as Kelly to finish this project off. The whole installation was very simple and the columns turned out great. They light up the parking lot at night, and they've encouraged us to work on our other projects that will improve the aesthetics of our landscape yard. When we get to those projects, we'll post other videos, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss them. And until then, let us know if we can help rock your world.